We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max feature Intel's modems with gigabit class LTE, 4x4 MIMO, and LAW for speeds up to 1.6 gigabits per second, Wi-Fi 6 support, 802.11x, Bluetooth 5.0, dual SIM with eSIM, and an Apple-designed U1 ultra-wideband chip that improves spatial awareness and allows for better indoor tracking.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.